Namaste. Today we are going to learn how to do prostration pose. Doing prostration pose can help you to stretch your spine and neck, stimulate thyroid gland, improve your digestion, calm your mind, reduce stress and anxiety. A gentle reminder, please be gentle with your neck. Avoid forcing your head down. If you have back issues, start by placing a blanket under your knees for support. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. If you feel any pain, ease out from the pose. Begin in your kneeling position on your knees with your big toes touching your buttock. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Then slowly reach your hands back and grab your heels. Inhale, slowly lift your hips off the floor. Place your head on the mat, pressing your chest towards your thighs. Hold this position for 5 to 10 breaths. Inhale and exhale. To release from the pose, slowly lowering your hips back to the floor and resting your forehead on the ground. Inhale and slowly lift yourself up and back to your seated position.